Alright, what we're going to be doing today is making a Redneck air conditioner. We're going to be using the stuff you see laying in front of you right here. We've got a transmission oil cooler, the hoses that come with it, a piece of garden hose or water hose, whatever you want to call it, some caulking, zip ties, a submersible pump, fan, and some foam board, and an igloo ice chest. Or, yeah, it's an igloo. Don't really matter. But we're going to be making an air conditioner out of all this, and if you keep on watching, we'll show you how to turn all this into this, the Redneck air conditioner. Okay, we got the pump installed. Got about a gallon of water in there, and got both lines installed. It is completely set up, ready to run. Got the main feed line from the pump, got the return line coming back out of the cooler, and about a gallon of water in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put some ice in there. I've got 20 pounds of ice we're going to put in, and installed a thermometer in front of the unit. That way we can see the current temperature. Then I'm going to turn on the fan and just let it blow through there to see what kind of change that makes with just the fan. And then after that, we're going to turn on the pump, let it start putting some of the cold water through the cooler, and see what kind of effect that has. So I'm going to reposition the camera, get all that set up, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, right now the only thing going is the fan. The pump is not on, moving water through the cooler, so it's holding strong at about 76 degrees with just the fan going. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the pump, get the cold water flowing through the cooler, and see what kind of difference that makes. Alright, after 10 minutes, 45 degrees and holding strong, I'm pretty impressed with the Redneck air conditioner.